Morning everyone. So let me finish today exercise 7.3. I sent you the question number 1 only, so I'm going to start question number 2. It is given as in each of the following find the value of k for which the points are collinear. Now a term is given that the points are collinear. Now, what is the formation condition for the formation of triangle? We know that if three non-collinear points are there, then they form what? Triangle. But here the points are collinear. So points are collinear means suppose we are given the 3 points like see the first one is given 7 minus 2, second is given as 5 1 and third is given 3k. Okay, these are the 3 points, they are collinear. So what is the area of triangle? Obviously, when the points are collinear, then the area of triangle will become equal to 0. Why? Because as usual our definition is three non-collinear points forms the triangle. So then we can define only the area if they are non-collinear like ABC. But if it is collinear, then we cannot find the area, therefore ABC is equal to 0. Now we have to find the value of k. So how to find value of k? Simply we are going to use the formula. Okay, the formula is, we'll write here ABC is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, now we know that x1 y1 minus y2, the formula it is 7. I will write here 1 minus k plus 5, then k minus minus 2. What I am doing here, I am just using area of triangle formula, and plus 3, here also minus 2 minus 1. Okay, since it is a collinear, the value will become equal to 0. It is half. What I will write now, 7 minus 7k plus 5 in bracket k plus 2. Why? Because minus minus plus 3, and it is what? Minus 2 minus 1 minus 3. Now 2 will come here, it will become 0. 0 is equal to, I will write now 7 minus 7k plus 5k plus 10 minus 9. So 0 is equal to 7 and 10. 17 minus 9, it is 8 and minus 2k. Or I can write 2k is equal to 8, or the value of k is equal to 4. So by this way we can find what? The missing frequency. Okay, k is equal to 4. Clear? So one question I have done. Second question I am giving you as an assignment. So this is what the question. Now let me proceed the third question of the textbook. It is given as find the area of the triangle formed by joining the midpoints of the side of the triangle whose vertices are given, and find the ratio of the area of the given triangles. Means first of all, what is the condition? Find the area of triangle formed by joining the midpoints of the side of triangle, vertex is given, and we have to find the ratio of the area and area of the main triangle. So if I will sketch a diagram here, it will make a clear concept to you. Suppose you are given the triangle A, B, C having their vertices. Now the coordinates of A is what? 0 minus 1, and it is 2 1, it is 0 3. Now first of all we have to create here midpoints of AB, BC and AC. Okay, to find the triangle formed by the midpoints. So I will write here its solution. Okay, let P be the midpoint of AB. P is the midpoint of AB. Then Q is the midpoint of BC and R is somewhere. R is midpoint of AC. So here you can find a triangle is formed. Okay. Now we don't know the coordinates of PQ and R. So I will use midpoint formula. I will write here coordinates of P. Coordinates of P I will write, see, for P x1 plus x2, clear, 0 plus 2, it is x1 plus x2 upon 2 and y1 plus y2 upon 2. Simply I am using what? Midpoint formula. So it will be 2 by 2 and 0 by 2. So I will get here 1 0. Any number divided by 0 0. So I got now P as 1 0. Now then I will go for Q. Coordinates of Q. Coordinates of Q will be, it is equal to, simply you can see 2 plus 0. 2 plus 0 divide by 2, midpoint formula, and 1 plus 3 divide by 2. So it will be 2 by 2, 4 by 2. So it is 1. 2 1 are 2, 2 2 are 4. It is 1 2. So I got now coordinates of Q as 1 2. Now I'll go for R. So coordinates of R. Coordinates of R will be, now for R it is x1 plus x2. It is already 0 plus 0. So I'll write here 0 plus 0 by 2 and minus 1 plus 3 by 2. So it will be 0 by 2 and 2 by 2. So what I will get now? 0 by 2 is 0 and 1. So simply I got the coordinates of all the points. It is 0 and 1. Now I have to take the ratio of area of PQR and area of triangle ABC. So again, in my last segment I have given the formula. So we have to find that we have to use that formula to find the area. Okay, so I will write here area of triangle. First of all, I will find for PQR. Okay, so it is PQR is equal to half, I'll consider it x1 y1, x2 y2 and x3 y3. So just wait for a moment. Now I will write here half x1. x1 is 1, then into y2 minus y3. It is y2 minus y3. Okay. Then x2. Can you see here? x2 is 1. Then what I will write? I will write here y3 minus y1. y3 minus y1. Can you see? Y3 minus y1. It is 1 minus 0. And then the third is x3. Can you see here? x3 is 0. Then I will write y1 minus y2. y1 minus y2. 0 minus 2. So then it is 1 by 2. 2 minus 1 1. 1 1 jar 1 plus 1 minus 0 1. 1 1 jar 1. And here it will become 0. 0 divided by any number. 0 multiplied by any number 0. So simply I will get 1 by 2. 1 plus 1 2. 2 and 2 cancel. Okay, just see the calculation very clearly. Okay, so 2 and 2 will be cancelled. It is equal to 1 square unit. 1 square unit. I got the area of PQR as 1 square unit. Now I am going for area of triangle ABC. Okay, just I am solving here, so I do not have to turn the page. Now can you see area of triangle ABC? So I will write ABC is equal to, now ABC is equal to 1 by 2 x1 y2 minus y3, it is 1 minus 3 x2 y3 minus y1, it is 3 minus minus 1, and then x3 it is y1 minus y2. So it is 1 by 2. See, the whole term will become 0, then 2, 3 plus 1. And here also the whole term will become 0. So 1 by 2, it is 0 plus 3 plus 1, 4, 4 to the 8. So it is 1 by 2 into 8, we got 4 square units. So see, area of triangle PQR is 1 square unit and area of triangle ABC is what? It is 4 square units. So we have to take the ratio. Therefore, ratio of PQR upon ABC. Area of triangle PQR upon area of triangle ABC will be 1 by 4. Or if you are asked ABC upon PQR, it will be 4 by 1. It can be written as 1:4 or it is 4:1. So this is our answer. Clear? So by this way, we have solved the given numerical. Okay, you can see the calculation once again. It will benefit you. So let me solve one more question. Question number 4. Now see what is question number 4 given. That find the area of quadrilateral of vertices taken in order. This is what the vertices which are taken in order. We have to find the area. So let me draw. It is question number 4. So let me draw quadrilateral here. Okay, it is A, B, C, D. Now A is -4, -2. B is -3, -5. C is 3, -2, and D is 2, 3. So we have to find the area. So let me draw a diagonal here. So what is the benefit of drawing diagonal? It divides the quadrilateral into two parts, the first triangle and second triangle. Okay, so first of all I will write, okay, let the vertices of quadrilateral be of quadrilateral. It is A is -4, -2, B is -3, -5, C is 3, -2, and D is 2, 3. Okay, so constructed diagonal AC. Therefore two triangles, triangle ADC and triangle ABC are formed. Okay, two triangles are formed. So let me find out area of triangle ABC. It is half. Now I am putting the value directly, -4. In bracket you will write -5 minus -2. Okay, plus 3. Sorry, it is -3. Then you will write here -2 minus -2, and then plus 3, and then I am going for ABC, right? So 3, and it is -2 and what will get now? -2 minus, see once again the calculation, it is minus 4, then minus 5, minus 2, okay, and minus 3, then it is minus 2 and minus 2, and then it is what, plus 3. So plus 3 is what, it is minus 2. What you need here to bring minus 2 and minus 5, okay. Can you see now minus 5 clearly? Yeah, it is. So now it will be 1 by 2 minus 4, in bracket you will get minus 3. This will become 0, minus 2 plus 2 0, so minus 3 into 0, and 3, it is minus 2 plus 5, so it is 12 plus 0, 5 minus 2, 3 3 are 9. So I got now 21 by 2 square unit. Clear? Now I am giving you an assignment to find area of triangle what, ADC. Same way to find ADC, it will be assignment to you. So area of triangle ADC, I am just writing the answer. It will be 35 by 2 square unit. You do not have to write directly. You have to solve like this. Okay, I have solved so many questions, so it will be your assignment. And you have to send me your notebook also. So total area will be, that is, you can write area of quadrilateral. Area of quadrilateral will be 21 by 2 plus 35 by 2. It is 56 by 2. That is equal to 28 square unit. Clear? So by this way, we have done the numericals of exercise 7.3. Clear? It is 28 square unit. And one question of question number 5, I will solve and send you as an WhatsApp. So do one thing, you can check here the calculation. Okay.